Hello, welcome again to my podcast. Thinking back of my journey learning English language is quite fascinating, I guess. Even though it's not that amazing like in a movie or anything, but it's amazing because as Indonesian people, very common student from rural area, I learned the language through very limited media that I had as a rural student. Only by watching TV and lots of documentaries played for free at that time, I listened and recognize how to start to pronounce each word. It was true that at that time, as I remember, I went through the same milestone. For example, I did babbling of the language that I heard when I was like around at the fourth year of the elementary school. But now, let's talk about the context of learning language as a teenager or maybe adult learner. In my personal opinion, what makes our language develop for the first time is from the vocabulary. If you have strong vocabulary, you can understand the language and then you know the meaning. And most importantly, if you remember the vocabulary, you are starting to understand the message and then starting to be able to produce something that contains meaning, and that makes you be a language communicator. So the conclusion is the strongest first base to learn language is to know the basic vocabulary and then expand the vocabulary and then use the vocabulary and then understand message through that vocabulary.